In this video, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process of installing MetaTrader 5, MT5 on your laptop, whether you are a beginner or installing it for the first time. To begin, turn on your laptop and open any web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, type MetaTrader 5 download and press enter. From the search results, make sure you open the official MetaTrader website to ensure you are downloading a safe and genuine version of the software. Once the website opens, you will see download options for different operating systems. Select the correct version for your laptop, either Windows or macOS, and click on the download button. The installer file will start downloading, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the MT5 installer file to begin the installation process. A setup window will appear on your screen. Here, you can review the terms and conditions, then click Next or Install to continue. Wait while MetaTrader 5 installs on your laptop. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, click Finish, and MetaTrader 5 will either open automatically, or you can launch it from your desktop or Applications folder. When MT5 opens for the first time, you will be prompted to log in. Enter your login details. After logging in, MetaTrader 5 is ready to use, and you can start exploring the platform, analyzing charts, and placing trades directly from your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.